Get started on your first hike. Where's the trailhead? Thanks for going on this journey with us. Here is video 4 in our series. We've done many hikes and sometimes it's difficult to find the trailhead. Through this video, we will discuss 10 tips to make sure you find the trailhead for your first hike. Let's get started. 1. What is a trailhead? The trailhead is basically the official beginning of the trail. 2. Google Maps or alltrails.com will give you a good indication. 3. If you are hiking a state or local park trail, many times the park headquarters or visitor center will have a map or an information desk. 4. Be careful when you choose your hike. Sometimes they will stack hikes where the trailhead of one trail is at the end of another trail. Have you ever had trouble finding a trailhead? We'd love to hear your comments. Number 5. Most of the time there is a parking lot you can identify on your map app and at least know where to park. 6. As you do your research, it is good to look for the nearest bathroom. Most park maps will show facilities. Go before your hike as there usually aren't any on the trail. 7. When you park, look for garbage cans. After your hike, it is nice to dispose of pet waste and any garbage you found on your hike or created yourself. 8. Often parking lots will fill up for the popular hikes. If you want to make sure you have a place to park, arrive early or late, the middle of the day seems the busiest for most hikes. We'd love to see your hiking photos. Please share them with us on Instagram using hashtag CampBrood. 9. Sometimes you can arrive at the parking lot or trailhead and still can't actually find the trail. Or there may be more than one trailhead where you park. Watch others to see where they go. Look for signs that identify the location of the trailhead. Hikers are generally nice, and it is always a good idea to ask if you are unsure. And 10. If you use latitude and longitude, alltrails.com provides lats and longs on their site that you can use if everything else fails. Most trails are easy to find, and a little planning will make sure you start your hike in the right place. To pay for trails and parks, there are often fees, permits, and licenses. Click our playlist and watch Get Started on Your First Hike, fees, to learn more.